What is up, you guys? Today's another video. We're going to be talking about Intel and why it's down after hours, after earnings. I honestly mentioned it in my other videos. Wait, let me just move this real quick here. Better positioning. Okay, so this is my portfolio. This is my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you find this information helpful and you want to learn. So what I like to do is long-term investing. I invest long-term in stocks that I see potential. I've been increasing my portfolio 50%. Started to really do this YouTube channel and take it serious this year. So follow along in the journey. That way you can increase your portfolio as well. My goal this year is to increase it 75%. I've just been adding cash, and my portfolio is about like 600 to 500K-ish. And I have 1.1 million on the side to invest in the market for dipping opportunities. Right now, the market is just uptrending. Intel, of course, I did say I posted a video in the past. Was it last week or like a couple days prior, right? I got so much hate for it. But you know what? It just because what's the difference is because it goes against people's belief. And they're investing in Intel, so they want it to go up. I want everybody to make money, right? We are retail investors, and the name of the game is to make money at the end of the day, right? So, all right, let's go back up. This is pre-market here, and it dropped after earnings. So apparently, it beat earnings. It did really good, but just guidance for next quarter was weak. And honestly, what it really comes down to is, the stock was really overextended too. Like, if you really look at this thing, this is like a tipping point to me. And I said it too, and I showed people I know that they're investing a lot in their company and things like that, but at the end of the day, it's all skeptical in a sense. Like, they haven't proven themselves. So that's what it comes down to, really. So, and yeah, and it's super overextended on the chart. When you see something go like this, like on the weekly, look at this. It's super extended. Look at the boiler band. Look how above it is of the boiler band. And, it seems like all of these stocks I don't know why my thing's glitching. The hell. I think that, all of these stocks are super overextended right now. Like Intel is following SanDisk as well. Western Digital looks the same. I mean, they all look very, very similar. Look at this crazy, crazy movement up. It's just a straight rocket. Western Digital as well. Look at this. These are all going to fall. I'm sorry to say, if you do, you're putting yourself in a bad position if you're buying at the top here, because it's super overextended on the RSI, super overextended on the boiler band. I understand that people, this is the next big thing, but that's how people get greedy and end up losing money, right? So what I like to do is buy things that are on sale that people have fear of, like Netflix. Let me show you guys. Netflix, we're going here. I bought at this position right here, right on the line of the Fibonacci. So I like to draw the Fibonacci here, and it's been like, it's money for me. Like, I always, more than likely, I usually hit with the Fibonacci. It's great for swing trades and long-term investing, not day trading. Okay, so I bought right here, and I do think we still break down and we go to like around 67 area. I do think everything right now is just green, killing it, doing amazing, things like that. So Netflix, Oracle are a great opportunity as well. This is my buying zone for Oracle. If you can see here, let me zoom out. Is at $158 to $100 is all of me buying, averaging in. Oracle, Netflix, and other ones, Adobe, I see is an opportunity. I want to buy those real solid companies like, Meta, and all these other companies, but just waiting, being patient, and don't get FOMO, fear of missing out. That's what happens to a lot of people. especially like Intel. I do think, you know, Intel's a great company, but right now it's overextended, and that's the truth to it, to me. And it's just an opinion. I do think we still, with earnings reports, right? I think what's going to happen is in the next following weeks, we start trailing down little by little. That's my opinion on Intel. It's overextended, in my opinion, and it just balances out over time. That's usually how most of these stocks work when they just shoot up, gap up like that. They end up going down like 40%, 50%. It's on average. It's what I've seen for a long time. And you know, you don't want to get greedy. Look, this is Adobe, right? Adobe's a great company that's made, I mean, they're still, every year they're making more revenue and more net profit. Net profit is what you want to look at. They're increasing net profit. And look, this is my buying area. You can see here, I always draw these things ahead of time. I always like to put myself in a good position. That's how we're going to increase our portfolio. If you want to pretty much get my exact life plays, I have, you can join my group. It's $35 a month, really cheap. That way you can literally increase your portfolio 50 to 75%. I give my plays live right before I enter them. That way you're in it. Or you can always check out this YouTube channel. Sorry, feel dumb. I choked on my own spit. Anyways, so Adobe, Oracle, and yeah, Netflix. I do think there's going to be some more opportunities in a couple of months, but we have to be patient. Intel is what it is. If you guys want me to make any videos, leave a comment down below. I'll make a video on it. And that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.